So the intent here is that children learn, especially science, by doing activities. Distributor बनने के लिए the minimum order value should be around 3 lakhs. जो distributorship लेते हैं उनको हम MRP में 50% discounted price में दे रहे हैं. We represent this organization called Butterfly EduFields. We are into STEM educational toys for children ages 3 to 15. So we as an organization believe that children learn best by doing things, and hence we have converted these experiential learning modules. So the intent here is that children learn things, especially science, by doing activities. For example, आप इधर देखें तो this is an activity module on electricity and magnetism. So this has 30 plus projects inside it, right? आप इधर देख सकते हो, this has all the materials inside using which children can build projects, right from a metal detector to a rheostat to a DC motor. So these are all the concepts they can learn practically by doing things. So these are some more projects on DIY vacuum cleaner, electricity kit hai. These are all the things which kids learn by doing things.
So our starting price is from $399. It's a category, different categories, in board games, card games, and in written gifts, STEM, robotics.
अभी तक हम currently we are doing it all online. हम Amazon में बेचते हैं, and different online platforms पे भी बेचते हैं. The intent here is to connect with distributors so that this will reach to the offline stores. हमारे पास around 50 SKUs तक है, right? And then distributor बनने के लिए the minimum order value should be around 3 lakhs. To become a distributor for a single location based on number of stores in that particular location. अगर बॉम्बे जैसा लोकेशन है तो we need at least 3 distributors per location, right? अभी तक तो distributor कोई नहीं है. We are intent is to connect with distributors in this platform. जो distributorship लेते हैं उनको हम MRP में 50% discounted price में दे रहे हैं. That is inclusive of GST and logistics मिल के उनको सिटी तक पहुँचते हैं, right? And then he has anywhere from मार्जिन अप टू 50% तक मार्जिन है उनको बेचने के लिए. ऑनलाइन में जब बेचते हैं हम हार्डली 10% 15% में बेचते हैं. तो 35% ऑफ मार्जिन तो डेफिनेटली है उनके पास, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के पास. एनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर वुड वांट टू टेक अप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरशिप ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट्स, फील फ्री टू कनेक्ट अस थ्रू द नंबर स्क्रॉलिंग डाउन. सो वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू वर्किंग विथ यू.